What's going on, guys? This is your boy Awesome with INVESTOFY, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a watch list for Monday. So we will be looking at 4 stocks, and we're just going to do analysis on that where I see might be good buy points with some stop losses and potential profit margins as well for you guys. But before we do that, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'm trying to make these videos for you guys and would help with the algorithm if you guys like it, if you guys comment on it. And if you do have any questions about whether this video or any of the other stock analysis I've done or any stocks you want me to look at, please do let me know that as well. And also in the description, please don't forget to get your free stocks from webull for the value of up to $1,600. So let's get right into it. So the first stock I want to look at is Lam Research. Now, Lam Research is a semiconductors company. And what we want to realize here is that after the COVID drop that happened last year in March, from the low of 178.44, this stock has risen to over $598. That's a great 300+% gains in just 1 year, in less than a year. And right now, what we're seeing again is that there's an uptrend in this stock. It's a very solid company, and it's starting to break out to new highs. So when that happens, you want to buy this stock possibly on Monday. Again, these are just my personal opinions. It's all educational, right? So if you're looking to buy this stock, buy it at whatever the price is, about 598.5 to 598, or even if there's a bit of a dip. And you can put a stop loss at about 481. And I think that this stock has a lot of potential. It can easily give a 20-30% gains with that kind of a stop loss. So really a good opportunity. Check the stock out. Let me know what you think of Lam Research. And the ticker symbol is LRCX. The second one is QRVO, Corvo Incorporated. It's also a semiconductors company. Semiconductors is hot, by the way. It's for fiber optics. It's for chips like NVIDIA is doing with AI chips for Bitcoin mining. They have chips that they're creating. So there's so many potential uses in communications, in computers, right, in cell phones, that semiconductors industry has huge potential altogether. So this is a stock that is starting to boost up. And again, from its low of about $70, right, or 67, it's up. It has gone all the way to over 190. And now it's pulled back a little. So I would buy it at whatever the market price is, about 179, 180, and put a stop loss at about 151.4. And that should be pretty good enough to see the stock start to climb back up and do pretty well. I think it has, again, a comfortable 40 to 50% profit margins with a stock like this that are fast moving, that have already been in an uptrend, and the industry, their sector, is only going to continue to grow as we become more reliant on technologies and our devices. The third one is VMware for cloud, and it's also a tech company. And the thing is that this stock has gone from its low of 86 to about 150. It doesn't move that much, but this is a stock that I believe if it breaks out, it can comfortably get to the high 170s and possibly even to 190s. So from 145 to 190, you're looking at a comfortable 30% gains on a stock like this. It's also Sharia compliant, just like the other two stocks. So a lot of potential here, a lot of potential, and highly recommend that you guys check out VMware as well and let me know what you think about it. And put a stop loss at about 130.45, and I think you'll be fine for the long run. The fourth stock that I want to look at is a slightly smaller company. It's VMD, ticker symbol, VMed Healthcare, which is building medical devices. It's a Sharia compliant stock. And as you can see, it's been rising a lot. It has a small market cap. It has pretty solid sales. And they're up 88%. And the fact is that the market for medical devices is huge. So 427 million market cap, a company like this can be worth a lot more. It can easily 2x to $1 billion plus. So I would be looking to buy it at whatever the market price is with a stop loss at about 8.3. And if we go to the weekly chart real quick here, yeah, I mean, we've just seen that the stock has gone from the low of 244 all the way to 11 in a matter of months, and now it's pulled back and it's going back up. So yeah, buy it at 8.3 and just hold on, because I think it's going to continue going higher and higher. The stock has a lot of potential. It only has a few shares outstanding as well, which adds to the supply and demand, like the float. The lesser the amount of shares, and if people start to show interest in a stock, that company can do even better. And what we saw with the GameStop issue in the past. Now that you've stuck around for so long with this video and for these 4 stocks, I've actually thrown in a 5th stock for you guys to look at. But this is a stock that's not Sharia compliant, in my opinion, yet. But I believe it has the anatomy, the possibility to become Sharia compliant, just like Tesla. A lot of people were investing in Tesla before it was even Sharia compliant, just because the company does a lot of good. It's in the tech sector, it's in the green energy. And I think that this next stock is similar to that. It's a tech company and they have potential. They're doing good things, right? And the stock is Shift Technologies, ticker symbol SFT. They're basically a platform for buying and selling cars. And I think that, they're not even being properly calculated at an 864 million market cap, 150 million in sales, right? You're seeing their earnings grow quarter over quarter. This stock over the past 3 months is up 55%. This is not a Sharia compliant, but the company, the industry that it's in, it's a tech company. They have a lot more potential. Stocks like these, or in this industry like Carvana, is at a valuation of $40 billion, right? And so this is only at 800 million with 150 million in sales already. So I think that this stock can very well be 2x what the current market cap is, and that is 1.5 billion. So something to look at. You don't have to buy into it, but I do throw stocks like these out there that, the hadith is that, about righteousness and character, that if it doesn't waver your heart, right? If you feel that it's right, then you should go forward with that thing. And, that's the wisdom that we have been blessed with, is that if you look at a company, you're like, yeah, they're in biotech, they're doing really good things, they're building really good, solutions, or, diagnostics or research or medical devices company or a tech company, they're doing good for the world, but they don't have the financials yet, but they might, then you should consider those. That is one of the things that a lot of scholars have said as well, that that's fine. We don't want to limit ourselves with investment opportunities just because they might not always meet all the criterias, but down the road they might. So I think Shift Technologies has a lot of potential. And if you do continue or consider buying this stock, whatever the market price is, 10.5, 11, put a stop loss at about 7.7 to 8 or 7.9. And I think you'll be fine. I think this stock has a lot of potential. It can possibly double in value. And it seems like a great company, in my opinion. So those were my 4 stocks as part of the watch list for Monday, and a free 5th stock, which is non-compliant. But you understand, I hope you understand where I'm coming from when I'm even giving stocks like these out there, because of the value that they can bring to the world. And if you like this video, once again, please like, share, subscribe, let others know about it. Also, go to the website sendfox.com/investify. And I'm just going to show you real quick, right? If you go to sendfox.com/investify, what you get is our newsletter. And it's really simple. You will get alerts, free alerts sent to you weekly on this newsletter. You will receive updates on the newest videos and things that we're working on. And, I highly recommend you be part of this so that you can also enjoy what our subscribers are doing and get all the best alerts from us, basically. And before these things hit YouTube. So please, guys, check it out. Like, share, subscribe. If you have any comments on any stocks you want me to take a look at, please let me know. Once again, thank you so much. Have a wonderful Sunday with your families. Take care. Good night.